Tell them run it up. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip this. Wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell them run it.
Yo, what's going on, man? It's Jeremy at Coast to Coast Customs, and we're always doing something crazy. It's always something here we're building and putting together. Now this car, I did not put the whole car together. It came to me pretty much complete. It allowed us to finish up the small things that we take care of. The rear end need to be touched up. I think the calipers need to be readjusted. The trailing arms need to be readjusted, need to be aligned. Coilovers need to be lifted up a little higher. I mean, I think we had to change the springs to a larger spring. But the car's, listen, the car's sitting right, the car's sitting nice now. Whoever did the work to it, great job. I don't knock anybody's work, that's not what I do here at all. All we do is, in the industry, we should work, all everyone should work together. Something you see, you can change, you can always make it better. Listen, everyone needs to stop beefing with each other and helping each other out. It's more important than anything in this industry. Let me explain to you also, whoever did the stereo work, I believe Tito did the stereo work at the swap shop. The guy's amazing. Go see him. He's a great guy, good person, quality work. Quality work. Car's nice. I don't know who painted it. I don't know who did the top to it, but it came out nice. And Dayton's, man, Dayton's. Listen, Dayton's, big brakes, Dayton's, gold, you can't go wrong. And the way it's done, it's done so tastefully where you have the gold strip and you still have some chrome on the car. Now the car's not 100% perfect, but this guy drives his car, and he drives his car fast, man. This guy's got a fast, heavy foot. The motor's in there is insane. I don't want to pop the hood and show you the motor. Maybe he'll show you the motor, kind of like a secret. He likes to run that car sometimes, but the car's beautiful, man. Beautiful car, beautiful, just a rolling piece of art, man. Like a rolling piece of art. This guy built this car, beautiful job. Coast to Coast Customs, always check us out, man. Remember your calipers, your rotors, your rear ends, your wheels and tires, that's the easy part. But taking your car to your vision, to the next level is everything that we do out here, man. Coast to Coast Customs. Peace.
I don't miss, I don't play none, I don't diss, I don't say none. I go swish, that's an A1. I steak with no A1. Tell the chef, I said thanks. Tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good. Tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops, drop a lot, and she pack the bags. She shot till we.
The driver too, man. You can tell. Oh, there it is. Woo! Good Lord. Y'all ain't ready for this one. My man said 1,600 horsepower. This is insane. I drove it around the block. I was just tapping the gas, and I knew this thing just wants to open up. This thing wants to hit the road. It wants to open up. It wants to get wild on here. This is an amazing car, amazing animal. You gotta be a driver to drive this thing. Beautiful car, man. A1. Did a great job.
None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash is digital, the dash is digital. Go, digital.
Yo, you know what time it is, baby? Coast to Coast Customs and it's my birthday today, and the wheels just dropped. 26-inch true spoked staggered. Big lip, huge lip. True staggered wheels in 6s, all gold. I got them in stock in 26s, and I have 24s. I have in 24s smaller lips, or I have 24s big lip banded. Here, right here. Here you go. 6s and 24s. You want to change it up? Now's the time of the year, baby. Peace.